Hey everyone, Matt here with the NTCA training team. Just real quick, I want to point out one thing. All of our members on a yearly basis get the updated version of both the NTCA Reference Manual and then one of our favorite industry books is the TCNA Handbook. And if you've been to any workshop, you know that we travel the country, and this is where we get a lot of the information that we teach at a workshop or at a regional training. One of the benefits of being a member of the NTCA is you receive these books every time they're published. And so both of these books are published on a yearly basis, and that's one of the many benefits to membership with the NTCA. But a lot of people don't know that there's a little hidden page within these two books that I want to point out. And here's what happens. You get sent this big gigantic book and you go, well, this one says 2024 on it. How do I got to sit down and read the whole thing? And the same with this book. It keeps getting bigger and better every year. Well, do I have to sit down and read the entire book to find what's new, what's different from last year? And so I want to point out one thing to you in the NTCA Reference Manual. It's on page 5 right here. There's a list of everything that's new in this edition. So you don't have to go searching and reading the entire book that you've already read last year. You can flip to exactly the new stuff. You don't have to go looking for it. It's right there. And the same thing with the TCNA book. This is a beautiful thing right here on page 3. Pages aren't numbers, but I counted and I flipped. Page 3, it gives all the revisions, all the edits, what's been added, what's been removed, what's different, what's changed. And so you can then compare to last year's book, and if it's a change, you can go and just read the change. If it's a revision, maybe there's a word edit or two, and it's all listed right here in the front of the book. So quick tip on how to use these books. You don't have to reread the entire thing. It's all right there in the front of the book.